What's going on, gentlemen? My name is Jack Scrimshire. I'm the founder of the Gentleman's Lounge, and today I'm here to talk to you about beard oil, specifically how to use it. Now, beard oil is very simple to use, but there are a couple things that you can do to boost the efficacy to make your beard oil work better for you. So first, I'm going to show you how I apply it in the first place. So today I have Trouvaille beard oil by the Gentleman's Lounge. This one has cedarwood and frankincense. It's a nice subtle scent. It's kind of masculine. It's something I like to use it almost every day because it doesn't interfere with other colognes and stuff like that. So I take about 6 drops for my length of beard. You may use more or less. All right, I rub it in my palms, and then I come in from the bottom and just lay it all over my beard. So I have my beard oil in. It works. It's going to soak into my skin. It's going to soak into my hair. It's going to do everything that it's supposed to do. But I have a couple tricks that I like to use that make it work a little bit better for me. So the first one, and something that you probably already do, is use this straight out of the shower. If you take a warm shower, it's going to open up all the pores in your skin, all over your face, all over your beard, your whole body really. And when you apply this beard oil, it's going to soak right in. It's ready to receive it. So always apply your beard oil after the shower, especially if you wash your beard in the shower. That's going to just replenish all the oils that were stripped away by the soap that you used. The second trick is to apply it using a boar's hair beard brush. So what you can do is actually apply it directly to the bristles, and this will help you season a brand new beard brush, but it'll also help you just evenly distribute it, right? So you go straight in all over the beard, and what this does is it carries it straight down to the roots. So if you have a really long beard, this will help just really get it down to the skin, work it in, and also help exfoliate the skin at the same time. So you're getting kind of double whammy there. It also helps style your beard, so triple whammy. Now finally, if I'm not applying beard oil out of the shower, what I'll do to kind of mimic that is I'll apply it to my beard and then hit it on low with a blow dryer, right? And what that's going to do is it's going to heat up the oil, which number one helps it distribute more evenly, but it'll also open up my pores and help it really absorb into my skin. And what I always like to do is when I finish applying my beard oil, I'll take whatever's left on my hands and I'll rub it in my hair, I'll rub it on my ears, on my face, and it just works as a great overall moisturizer. It's not going to make you feel greasy or clog your pores or anything like that. The next time you apply beard oil, try and think of creative ways to make it work a little bit better for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, any questions, drop them down below. And if you like this content and you want to see it twice a week as it comes out every Monday and Friday, go ahead and subscribe to us on our channel. We'd love to have you guys a part of our beard care journey, and we would love to be a part of your beard journey. As always, I'm Jack Scrimshire with the Gentleman's Lounge. And until next time, stay classy.